Hi, I'm Bob Rubart with the Oracle Technology Network, and the forecast calls for another 2-minute tech tip. Back for his second tech tip is Steven Feuerstein. Steven is an architect with Oracle, where he is, by his own admission, thoroughly obsessed with the Oracle PL/SQL language. Welcome back, Steven.
Glad to be back, Bob.
All right, so what's the topic of your second tech tip?
The topic of my second tech tip is inspired by Fleetwood Mac, and it's Code for Tomorrow.
Well, if you are ready, your 2 minutes starts now.
So I'm going to start off my 2-minute tech tip, Code for Tomorrow, with a little riff from Fleetwood Mac. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Don't stop, because it will soon be here. So, Code for Tomorrow. Think about tomorrow. We have a big problem in the world of technology and software, which is that we are so focused on getting the job done now, meeting our production deadlines, getting the code into production, whatever it takes. And we're a very pragmatic bunch of people. So truly, whatever it takes. If we hit a bug, move sideways, we get around the bug, we go back. If we are under pressure to meet our timelines, which we always are, then we take every shortcut in the book. Now, the end result is that we often end up with code that's kind of a mess. And the person to blame, the person responsible for this mess is obviously our managers, right? That's what our managers are for, to blame. And when it comes to aspects of writing good code, managers do play a pretty big role. For example, when it comes to testing, the reason we don't test enough is largely because of our managers. They don't give us time and resources and tools. And maintainability, writing code for tomorrow so that the code that's going to live on for years and years and years is comprehensible and is testable, also should be blamed on our manager, because they don't give us enough time to make it maintainable, right? They're pushing so hard on our deadlines. No excuses. When it comes to maintainability, when it comes to writing code that you and other people will be able to understand in the future, which is always now, you've got to make sure it's comprehensible and testable, which means you need to hide literals and formulas in SQL behind APIs, use subtypes to hide application-specific types, comment your code, all the complex stuff that nobody's going to understand tomorrow, including you. Make it testable. Break up your big programs into smaller programs.
10 seconds.
Segregate out your deterministic code because it's easier to test, and use an automated testing program. So don't think about today. Be thinking about tomorrow.
You just made it. Great tip, Steve. See you in a month.
That's right. Every month, new tech tip.